Hello everyone, we are Team GPT presenting SurakshaAI, our AI-driven early warning system for internal and privileged user fraud. Privileged insider, like the database administrator, loan officer, and the system managers, are the greatest blind spot in banking security today. Legacy security systems protect the bank from the external threat, but are completely blind to rogue employees. So, insider fraud takes an average of 287 days to detect and cost bank millions of dollars per incident. Suraksha AI was built to solve this. To address this, we developed the Suraksha AI, a system that monitors privileged activity. We combined the two unique innovations like the graph neural network to expose the multi-user collision network, and second, an LLM investigator assistant for natural language query. Now let's look at the technical approach. Our architecture operates in five integrated layers. Layer that is the ingestion, direct raw system activity log like the transaction, bulk export, and the system logging into the pipeline. Layer 2 that is the stream processing. In the POC, a simulated Express AI and the socket.io WebSocket manages the streaming flow. Layer 3 is database. Records are stored in a portable single file SQLite database. Layer 4 is AI and ML engine. Features are run through a scikit-learn ensemble of isolation forest that is used for catching global spikes like the data dumps and local outlier factors that is used for catching the density outlier like offsetting logins. Concurrently, our custom graph solver propagate risk scores across relationship. Layer 5 is for presentation that is used for rendering the live alert feed, cytoscape, collision graph, and SAP explainability charts on the real dashboard. All tools are production ready. We tackle challenges like real world format using an adapter pattern, making the system highly feasible and deployable. Let's see our live prototype. So, login in as the bank CISO, Rajesh Sharma. So we see our dashboard displaying the live matrices fetched directly from our SQLite database. Here you can see the risk score distribution, alert volume, live alert feed, and top 5 flagged user. Second, we move over to the alert feed. Socket.io WebSocket push real-time alert instantly, and it is ranked by severity, like the critical, high, and the medium. So we can toggle between the critical, high, and the medium. Also, we click on particular employee, like the Rajan Mehta, we can see the explainability panel XAI and behavioral heat map for the 7 days and the activity timeline for the last 48 hours. We can also mark as false positive, also escalate to senior investigator and generate the STR report. So we can download the STR report, and once we open the STR report, we can see the employee detail, incident summary, risk assessment, and here there is a risk score and a confidence, and the recent suspicious activity you can see, and the recommendation action is there also. Now coming to the collision graph, we can see our network nodes render with cytoscape.js. Clicking run collisions can trigger our node.js solver, which propagate danger weight and group connected nodes, exposing a 4-person insider fraud ring in red to our AI assistant that connect the Google Gemini 2.5 Plus directly to our database using the function call. By writing any of the messages or the comment, we can take the output from that assistant. So like, so we have asked the question like generate a summary of Rajan Mehta's activity over the last 7 days. So it generated the content. Here you can see that. So now coming to the behavioral analytics. So here you can see the number of users. So you can switch between the users. So here you can see the 30-day activity trend versus baseline, system access breakdown, the annual history, and the risk scores timeline. So here you can see all that. And in the compliance tab, the system maintains an immutable audit trail. Every query run by the AI or the investigator is logged here to prevent abuse of the system itself. Next, we have a pipeline monitor. In a real bank, data come in at a massive speed. For production deployment, our architecture is designed to ingest data by Kafka and aggregate log in real time using the Apache Flink. This tab acts as a live monitor showing how the CISO can track the health of this production cluster, including the brokers count, the Flink task manager, and the database plans. We simulated this stream to demonstrate that the system is ready to scale to millions of events per day. So now coming to what is built versus what was planned. So in our POC, we built the working Python anomaly script, the cytoscape collision solver, the Gemini tool use integration, and the client-side PDF compiler. In production, this architecture scale seamlessly. We'll replace the Express API with Apache Kafka brokers for ingestion, Apache Flink for streaming window aggregates, and deploy the PyTorch GNN model to capture the complex collision clicks in real time. Now coming to the team. Suraksha AI bring massive value to a bank. An estimated 80% of reduction in a fraud losses, an 87% decrease in audit time, and a 7.6x ROI return on investment in the first year. Behind this project is Team GenGPT. So basically, the Avay Kumar Roy on back end, Dheeraj Agarwal on AI ML, Aditya Thackeray on the front end, and Sayam Patwari on the security analysis. Together, we protect the Union Bank of India from within. Thank you.